Hey guys, it's Vlad Matej here, and what do I have? The Xiaomi screwdriver. So let's proceed with the opening of this screwdriver, which actually looks pretty cool, to be honest. And let's see, what do we have here? So a plastic that is sigillated, of course. Let's open that up, and this is what you are going to find in the bag. Let's see. So we have this attachment, which looks pretty cool, very good quality, honestly. And we have this screwdriver right here. Let's get it out and let's see how does it look. Packaging looks amazing though, and this is the screwdriver. All right, I actually like it. Feels very well made and good quality. You can choose right or left right there. This is the attachment which will go right into it, and here you have the screwdriver hidden thing with all the screws, which actually is pretty cool, to be honest. It's very cool for a tool to have at home. So it's magnet. That's cool. I like that. So it does have a little bit of oil there. So I guess is the oil. I guess the oil is for let me just get a paper to clean it. So I guess the oil is for not oxidation during the storage of the unit. So that's why I learned that they put oil on these things so it doesn't get oxidated when they transport and store the product. So it has a little bit of oil. Let's just clean it up very fast with this paper right there. And yeah, it's normal. Doesn't get oxidated. Boom, boom. Perfect. Yeah. All right. So now that it's perfectly clean, we also want to clean these little things right here really quick. Boom, boom, boom. But it's pretty cool that it's magnets there, so it's cool that you can store it easily. You don't lose the screws. All right, perfect. So, boom. Here you have all the attachments. Pretty cool. And let's see how it's going inside here. Aha. So you can use double. Nice. Pretty cool tool from Xiaomi, and yeah, definitely recommending this product. Thank you so much for watching.